Welcome to Fun Maths and welcome to Matrices and Determinant class. Today's question says calculate the determinant of the matrix. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now, the determinant of this matrix A, how do we find the determinant? So first of all, I'm going to write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 0 minus 1, 4, 2, 5, minus 1. And then I'll put signs at the top, plus, starting at plus, then minus, and then plus. The determinant is found by, first of all, looking at removing the first row and the first column. Working with this, we have 1, which is positive 1 plus 1. Remove this column and this row. We are left with minus 1, 4, 5 minus 1. That is for the first one. Now for the other one, remove the middle column and the top row. That is minus 2 now. Minus 2 into 0, 4, 2 minus 1. And then lastly, plus 3. What do we remove? Remove the last row and the last column, and the top row. And so here we have 0 minus 1, 2, 5. All right. So what do we do with these pockets of matrices? For this first one, we'll multiply this with this, then subtract the multiplication of this other diagonal. So here we have 1 into minus 1 times minus 1, then minus 4 times 5. Okay, so minus, can put this in the mini bracket, 4 times 5. This is minus 2 into minus 1 times 0 minus 4 times 2. Plus 3, 5 times 0 minus 2 times minus 1. So this is 1 into minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. Alright? So this is 1 minus 4 times 5 is 20. Minus 2 into minus 1 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 into 5 times 0 is 0. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 times minus is plus 2. So this is 1 into 1 minus 20 is minus 19. Minus 2 into 0 minus 8, minus 8. 3 into, so 0 plus 2 is 2. So 1 times minus 19 is minus 19. Minus 2 times minus 8 is plus 16. 3 times 2 is 6. Alright, minus 19 plus 16 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. So our answer, determinant of A, the matrix A, is equals 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video so that others can benefit from it. Till we meet again, it is goodbye from me, but stay safe.